So one thing I've learned about fire blankets is they're just so much easier to use than regular fire extinguishers, especially if when a fire breaks out, you actually do have a moment of panic like I do. So I want to really thank the company for sending me these to review. I learned last year that household fires can and do happen unexpectedly, and sometimes to things you never think can catch on fire. My washing machine caught on fire in the middle of washing clothes, and while I did have a traditional fire extinguisher, it was old and did not work properly when I needed it to, and so I had to end up calling the fire department. Now, these fire blankets come in a pack of 2, 4, or 5. They're very portable. You can throw them in your car or a travel bag, or they have a little space on them where they can be hung in spaces around your house, like a laundry room, a kitchen, or under a cabinet, and they're just so easy to use. All you have to do if a fire breaks out is just pull the little pull strings and cover your fire with it. It's going to smother and extinguish your fire, and then once the fire is out, you don't have a big mess like fire extinguishers either to clean up after the fact. I will never be without these in my house again. I highly recommend.